Hey Wealth Wavers, welcome back to another exciting episode on Wealth Wave You. Today, we've got something absolutely thrilling lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of Tether USDT Airdrops. Imagine getting your hands on some free tokens just by participating in easy tasks. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned as we walk you through how to claim these airdrops and what benefits you can reap from them. So, what exactly are airdrops? Think of it like a promotional giveaway, but for cryptocurrency tokens. Companies use airdrops to distribute free tokens to crypto enthusiasts. It's like getting a surprise gift, and who doesn't love gifts? These tokens could be from new projects looking to create buzz or established ones wanting to reward their loyal community. Now, let's talk about Tether USDT. This isn't just another cryptocurrency. Tether USDT is renowned for its scalability and lightning-fast transactions. It's built to handle a ton of transactions efficiently, making it both secure and rapid. And the best part? Tether USDT's innovative technology aims to bring down transaction costs significantly. Imagine being a part of this revolution, and even better, imagine getting in for free through airdrops. Tether USDT uses something called sharding technology. What's that, you ask? Think of sharding as breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. By splitting the blockchain network into smaller sections, or shards, Tether USDT can process transactions in parallel, boosting its speed and efficiency. It's like having multiple lanes at a toll booth instead of just one, quicker and more efficient. Another great thing about Tether USDT is its eco-friendly approach. With an energy-efficient consensus mechanism, it's designed to reduce its carbon footprint compared to other blockchain platforms. This makes it a win-win, efficient, and environmentally conscious. Who wouldn't want to be part of that forward-thinking innovation? So, in a nutshell, Tether USDT combines speed, security, and environmental sustainability. It's a trailblazer in the crypto space, and you can be part of it. How? Through airdrops. Participating in Tether USDT airdrops not only gives you free tokens but also makes you part of this fantastic community. Ready to find out how to claim your share? Let's get into it. First things first, where can you find these Tether USDT airdrops? Start by visiting official project websites and their social media channels. These are gold mines for exclusive announcements about upcoming airdrops. Stay active, engage with their content, and you'll be the first to know about new opportunities. Another great way to stay updated is by joining crypto forums and online communities like Bitcoin Talk, Reddit, and dedicated Discord channels. These platforms are buzzing with insider information on airdrops. Engaging in discussions here can give you valuable tips and help you stay ahead of the game. For a more streamlined approach, check out airdrop aggregator platforms like Airdrop Alert and Airdrop Bob. These websites list a wide range of airdrops, including Tether USDT, and provide detailed information on participation requirements, schedules, and token allocations. It's an all-in-one resource to help you claim as many airdrops as possible. Before you go any further, you'll need a compatible wallet to receive your airdrop tokens. Most Tether USDT projects prefer wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet because they're versatile and widely accepted. Make sure you have one of these to ensure a smooth token acquisition process. Some Tether USDT airdrops may require you to complete KYC procedures to verify your identity. This is mainly to ensure compliance and security. Although not all airdrops will ask for KYC, being prepared can open up more opportunities for you. It's usually a straightforward process involving ID verification, so don't let it deter you. Now, let's talk about security. Scammers are always looking for ways to exploit unsuspecting participants. Be vigilant. Always research the projects you're interested in, verify information from official channels, and never, ever share your private keys. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. For added security, consider using hardware wallets. These store your private keys offline, reducing the risk of online vulnerabilities. Regularly back up your private keys, enable multi-factor authentication, and keep your wallet software up to date. These steps will help keep your assets safe as you participate in Tether USDT airdrops. So there you have it, Wealth Wavers. Tether USDT airdrops provide an amazing opportunity to acquire tokens, engage in innovative projects, and join a vibrant community, all without spending a dime. By following these tips, you can maximize your chances of claiming these airdrops securely and efficiently. Happy hunting! Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Wealth Waveview, and share with your friends. Let's build a community where we all thrive together. Your feedback is invaluable, so drop your comments and let us know how we can improve. Until next time, happy wealth building!